I've gotten to work with the Critical Path Institute on a number of public-private partnership opportunities. When I think about partners with whom I want to take big swings and work on everything from economic development to complex advances in biotechnology to fundamentally changing the way the drugs get to patients, CPATH is the organization that I look to. One thing that strikes me whenever I talk to folks from CPATH or whenever I'm at a CPATH event is that folks who are at or around CPATH are just incredibly mission driven. And so there's an orientation not only to think about cutting edge science or regulatory advances, but to ground those in the ultimate advances that support patients. And so I found CPATH to be just this incredible meeting ground for whether you're an economic developer, whether you're interested in driving public-private partnerships, whether you work with patients. CPATH just provides a neutral ground that brings folks together to think about the barriers that actually prevent us from getting medicines to patients today. I think this is a great opportunity for me to learn more about the global impact that CPATH has. A lot of my work with the Critical Path Institute has really been public-private partnerships in the United States. But a lot of the challenges that CPATH is thinking about are necessarily global. Whenever I come to a CPATH event, I'm always excited first and foremost to learn. I always walk away with some bit of knowledge or some better understanding of our healthcare system that I didn't have before. So I'm looking forward to that opportunity to talk to folks, to learn more about what's going on in their respective worlds. I'm also just excited for the opportunity to think about new partnerships. And again, I look to CPATH as a vehicle to drive not only innovations in healthcare, but also think about ways to engage with the public sector in a meaningful way. And so I'm really looking to walk away with some concrete opportunities, and really I think as Klaus says, a call to action that sort of propels us toward something innovative.